So in this lesson, we'll be covering two important driving test exercises, pulling up on the right and reversing safely along with the emergency stop. You'll see the observations required before, during and after each manoeuvre, along with the techniques Bella uses to maintain full control of the car. For the emergency stop, we'll also explain what the examiner is looking for and how to react quickly while remaining calm and in control. As with every manoeuvre, safety comes first. Good observations and awareness of other road users are far more important than rushing through the exercise. And if you're enjoying the series, please like and subscribe and share the video with other learners. Let's get started.
So when it straightens up,
yep.
I want you to pull over on the right hand side of the road, please.
The right hand side?
Right, so mirror signal right then. Slow it down, the brake, come across, glide down like an aircraft slowly in. We're going to go for that curve down there. And you want to be about a foot out. Slow it down, first gear. Take your time, slow it down. Are you straight and parallel?
I'm about 5 feet away from the curb.
No, you're not. Open the door, have a look. That's perfect, that's not a problem.
Okay.
You're blocking the road no matter what. What you can't be doing is hitting the curb.
Okay.
So you're about as far out as we can be. I'm just concerned about... I did not know how far you were from the curb.
Okay.
And it's my car. Mr. Driving, or Mrs. Driving Examiner,
Definitely won't know.
sitting about, God knows, 30, 40 different cars. They haven't got a clue. All they're looking is, there's the centre of the road. The centre of the road is where... whole door width away. People can carry on without hindrance.
Yeah.
So that's what they're worried about. Okay, now we're going to ask you to reverse 2 car lengths, staying reasonably close to the curb.
Yep.
Now the only thing is, if a car comes along on our side of the road, stop.
Yep.
Right, squid game, red light, green light. Whoop.
Okay.
When we move off, we start from there. Because you're looking over there, look, there's cars on the driveway, you wouldn't see in that mirror. So blind spot to blind spot, checking 3 mirrors as you go around. Your head's always moving around, going really slowly in a straight line. Any cars come along, we'll stop.
Okay.
Give it a go. So this is all about setting it up correctly. Once you set it up correctly, this is a really simple manoeuvre. Oh, by the way, for the benefit of this exercise, don't worry about drop curves on this occasion.
Okay.
2 car lengths I'm looking for. So clutch rock only. Blind spot. Round, slowly. Blind spot. You can slow down this, but slow, I mean really slow. Get off the brake. Just literally the tiniest bit of movement. Yeah, that's it. Right, looking around, slower. You're getting faster, slower. So it's all about moving the car in a controlled fashion. Keep moving. So that's about 1 car length. Looking around you. Look what we got coming up then.
Ah, a car.
Car. So we're just going to stop for that. Look at the brakes are not moving hazard. That's fine. Watch the car from there. Start from there and watch the car through is the best way of doing it, and then moving off. Okay, get the car moving. So you've got another half a car to go, I reckon. Yeah, that about right? Don't offer any more. Stop then.
Yeah.
If you think it's too late, thank you very much, Bella. When you're ready, drive on when you're ready, please. So,
Do you want me to?
yes, please. Yes, the manoeuvre, that's it. So when you're going around, make sure you start from there. That's it, signal. Watch, go. As you come across, just check that blind spot over your shoulder there. Makes sense, doesn't it? Well done. Okay, last one.
There's another one.
Well, the last one is the emergency stop or
Oh,
control
yeah.
stop manoeuvre. Only 1 in 7 driving tests have that now.
Yeah.
Hi, Richard here. Sorry to interrupt the video, but we have to tell you we have teamed up with this brilliant insurance company called My First Specialist in Young Driver Insurance. Give them a call. You see the number there. The website address is down there. This will give you an exclusive £50 discount. You talk to real people. They're just a
So
great
we're going to
company
do
to deal
the
with.
emergency stop or the control stop
Yeah.
exercise, not a manoeuvre. It's an additional one to one of the 4 manoeuvres. And now, since it's March or April, I think it was end of March, they changed it. It's only 1 in 7 these are on your driving test. So basically, the examiner's doing 1 a day. They do about 7 tests a day. Okay, you're asked to pull over left-hand side, and you explain that you're going to move or do the emergency stop exercise, control stop exercise. Bring the car up to speed. I'll give you the sign stop. When you hear that sign, bring the car to complete stop as quickly as safely as possible. And for the purposes of the exercise, I will ensure it's safe for you to stop, which means don't check your mirrors. It's literally an emergency. Someone's pulled out in front of us. Now, you can't overbrake because we've got ABS braking systems in modern cars. It used to be a skill to stop the car from skidding. Now it's not. We got all-round disc brakes. You don't have to pump them or anything like that. So really, the car's going to come down to speed very quickly, i.e. to a stalling speed quickly, so it's just brake and clutch down together. Whoever you hate the most in the world, Bella, is sat their face on that pedal.
Okay.
Whoever you hate second most in the world is sat on that pedal. Stamp them out. That's what we're going to do when I go stop.
At the same time, just bang.
Yeah, you might as well just brake and clutch down. Okay. Just make sure you're holding onto the steering wheel.
Yeah.
If you've done enough braking, ABS will kick in, which it will do today on a dry day like today. Actually, might not do today because it's dry. It tends to kick in more if it's wetter. We'll see. But if you can't over brake. If ABS kicks in, you couldn't have braked any harder.
Okay.
So really keep braking it through. Don't just stab at it. Just really push it. If you're going to grind that face into the concrete below the car, I think you'll be good at this. I just get that feeling.
Okay.
When you're ready, drive on. Blind spot, remember. That's it. Right, vroom, vroom, vroom. I will be doing it after the roundabout, okay? So get the speed up, like you're driving normally. Okay, come on. Chop, chop.
Get in there.
Okay. Stop. Whoa. Yeah, that works. Stop. Whoa. Stop. Whoa. Yeah, that works. You really don't like those people, do you?
Is that emergency enough?
Okay, that worked. Yeah, that's brilliant.
Okay.
I won't ask you to do that again. Now, this is where it goes wrong. You're not in your normal moving off position. You've got a big gap down your left-hand side. Before you move off, check that blind spot.
Yeah.
Check that blind spot. If there's anyone along, pop on that signal, then drive off. So drive on. Pop a signal off, the one's turning there. That's it. Brilliant. And by saying, I won't ask you to do that again, it's just saying, start looking at your mirrors again.
Yeah.
Now, what it does get the pulse racing a little bit of adrenaline.
Yeah.
So just be careful for the next minute until your body's processed it out of your system, that you don't rush and start doing all the things that your body did at the beginning of the driving test when you're a bit nervous. It's that same feeling.
Yeah. I don't think I'd even mind getting an emergency stop because you can't feel like adrenaline and stress at the exact same time. So that would take over my anxiety about it.
Yeah.
I really hope you've enjoyed the series and found them helpful. If you haven't watched the other 3 manoeuvres yet, make sure you check them out. They're all on the channel. If this video has helped you, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss future driving lessons again. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Safe driving.
Thank you very much for watching.
So do remember, please like and subscribe and press notify.